Emperor tamarins. They live in small family groups. To find enough food, they're constantly on the go. Tamarins regularly have twins, which is rare for primates. Close call. She needs backup. Only one female in a tamarin family gets to breed, so the others become babysitters. Free of the kids, Mom can, at last, head off to find food. There is plenty of fruit around. Now, how's that babysitter doing? Looks like it's all under control. So, there's time for more fruit. But the youngsters are getting restless. They've gone exploring. The sitter needs eyes in the back of its head. Now, they're out on a limb and starting to panic. Time's up for Mom. She's back on duty, but at least refueled.